Hi, I'm Chris Caiger, one of the founders of Renovations, the world's leading home renovation specialists. If you've decided to buy a business, a key question to ask yourself is, will Refresh provide you with the best marketing, business systems and operational support to make that business a success? The answer is yes. Refresh provides exceptional marketing and business support to franchises, and as a result has become a global company in a very short time. Refresh stands out in the renovation sector because we are the first company to create an international, marketing-driven business using a cloud-based IT platform. We have a large head office team providing marketing, IT systems, benchmarking, coaching and training. We've won multiple international awards for our sales and marketing programs. We have experts in digital and social marketing creating programs to generate leads to grow your business. We run promotional activities, design exhibition stands and produce seminars to generate inquiries. We create brochures, sales material and videos to help convert leads. We also provide extensive business systems and operational support. We have built a bespoke IT system to make it easy to run your business. Our CRM systems provide a powerful tool to help you establish a large database of repeat customers. We collect detailed benchmarking information so we can provide effective training and coaching for each franchise. We back your business with the power of corporate marketing, business systems and training so you can enjoy the rewards of your own efforts in terms of income and business growth. We look forward to working with you as you progress through the franchise application process.